अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम SPSC लेक्चरर फिजिक्स पेपर हेल्ड जो 24/4/2024 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एंटोनिम ऑफ हार्टफेल्ट इज डैश इनसिंसियर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द ट्रेन वेंट डैश द टनल थ्रू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द क्वालिटी ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर डैश ऑन द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी allocated to it depends. Question number 4, synonyms of embellish is dash misappropriate. Question number 5, the antonyms of stale is dash fresh. Question number 6, the professor told her student about the project month in advance so that they would have dash time to complete their work. Ample. Question number 7, I am worried dash the exam about the exam. Question number 8, there is no point dash arguing in. Question number 9, he dash daily for a year now has been exercising. Question number 10, if you had followed the rules you dash disqualified would not have been disqualified. Question number 11, the parameters that Kepler's law of period relates to: the semi-major x and the time period. Question number 12, what happens when the stress applied to the body is increased beyond the maximum value and is removed after some time? The body cannot return to its original position. Question number 13, which of the following is a 4-level laser? NDYAG. Question number 14, a physical system undergoing forced vibration is called driven harmonic oscillator. Question number 15, what is the effect of increasing the number of sites on the intensity of central maxa of diffraction? Pattern of a diffraction grating. Intensity of central maxima will increase. Question number 16, FCC lattice is the reciprocal lattice of the BCC lattice. Question number 17, a vector field with a vanishing curl is called rotational. Question number 18, find the maximum value of resolving power of a grating 3 cm wide having 5000 line per centimeter if the wavelength of light used is 5890, area 45,000 area. Question number 19, which of the following is not a postulate of kinetic molecular theory of gases? All molecules have same speed at different temperatures. Question number 20, how many fission that take place per second in a 300 megawatt reactor, assuming each fission releases 200 MeV of energy? Question number 21, during projectile motion the horizontal component of velocity remains constant. Question number 22, so film exhibits brilliant colors in sunlight due to interference of light. Question number 23, increase in the entropy means the increase in randomness. Question number 24, the light of suitable frequency falling on metal surface ejects electrons. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect. Question number 25. Which of the following series of H spectrum lies in ultraviolet region? Lyman series. Question number 26. Choose the correct statement for a nuclear reactor. Moderator slow down the neutron. Question number 27. Every distance covered by alpha particle in air before its ionizing power cases I called its range. Question number 28. The net electric field is zero inside any conductor with a static charge. Question number 29. An electric field exerts a torque on a dipole only if the field is perpendicular to the dipole moment. Question number 30. When n-type semiconductor is heated, number of electrons and holes increase equally. Question number 31. Which of the these is the best description of a Zener diode? It operates in reverse range. Question number 32. Two charges are placed a certain distance apart in air. When a dielectric sheet is placed between them, will decrease. Question number 33. What is required in a fusion reactor in order to overcome the electrostatic repulsive force between nuclides? Very high temperature. Question number 34. Our dipping results in slower return to equilibrium. Question number 35. If the temperature of the sun is double, the rate of energy received on the earth will be increases by a factor of 4. Question number 36. A body in a room cools from 90 centigrade to 80 centigrade in 5 minutes. The time taken to cool from 70 centigrade to 60 centigrade is more than 5 minutes. Question number 37. The repulsive energy is always positive. Question number 38. Refractable intensity of crystal structure is known as unit cell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.